technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now, we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. The government, in fact, has made it absolutely clear that India will not be engaging in bilateral sporting ties when it comes to Pakistan. And that's the latest update that we are getting for you. Let me go across to my colleague Karishma, joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Karishma, give us more details. What is it that the government has to say on this?
Well, Hina, what has happened today is that India has formulated an international sports policy that stands effective immediately. In this, the Olympic Charter has been adopted officially. Earlier, there was a verbal understanding that India will abide by the Olympic Charter, under which Pakistan would be allowed to travel to India, or India would play with Pakistan in multi-nation tournaments. But now this has been turned into a policy. So it becomes very, very important to understand that we will only play Pakistan in bilateral, multi-nation tournaments. There will be no bilateral tournament, and this is just not for cricket but across sports in this country. This is going to be followed. And as far as tournaments in Pakistan is concerned, where if there is a multi-nation tournament in Pakistan, the government of India is going to decide whether it is safe to send our athletes to Pakistan or not. We'll assess the security situation in Pakistan, even if it's just a multi-nation tournament in any sport. So it's very, very clear now across sports in this country. If it's a multi-nation tournament, we will travel, we will play, but no bilaterals, no neutral venue bilateral playing with Pakistan. So this has been adopted as a policy, and this is the answer. The answer that needs to be given is that we need to defeat Pakistan on the border and at the sporting field as well, is what the messaging is as far as the sports ministry is concerned.
So one thing is very clear, Karishma, going by the information that you're giving to us, that India will not be barred from playing against Pakistan in the Asian Cup, because that's organized by the Asian Cricket Council, isn't it?
Well, it's absolutely, Hina. India is going to play in the Asia Cup, which is slated to be held in the UAE. In fact, India, BCCI is the host for the Asia Cup. This is not a bilateral tournament. All the top Asian countries are going to be participating in it, whether it's Pakistan, Oman, UAE, Bangladesh, all are going to be there. And India is not just playing against Pakistan. They have matches versus Bangladesh, versus Oman, versus UAE as well. And this is to, what sources confirmed to us is that the politicians had been raising questions about why we are playing Pakistan, why we are playing Pakistan. So the sports ministry deciding that, we are not going to be answering this question every single day. If any politician has a question, this policy can be shown to that particular politician and told that this is the answer for playing against Pakistan in a multi-nation tournament, whether it's in any sport.
All right, that's an important piece of information that you've got for our viewers. Thank you very much, Karishma, for the moment, for joining us. With this, we will slip into another short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.